Well, hi, howdy, and hello, and welcome to your moment of peace and joy. I got 50 seconds to tell you about Fakahatchee Strand Preserve State Park. I'm out with Robert today, and we are checking out the nature. It's gorgeous, peaceful. That plane is a little noisy, but then that bike becomes a little noisy because it's so quiet here. This gorgeous water. Stunning. Checking it out towards the Everglades today. This is our one tank trip. Making a video. Come on over to the channel and check it out. Here at